So you can apply for visas for dependents. We've talked about the E3S. If you're on an E3 visa and you're bringing your spouse, you can also apply for your children to come with you, so you can bring your whole family at once. What's your advice for people that if you have an interview to go get your visa, do you do it all at once? Do you bring the partner and kids, or is there a bit of a process involved?
Yeah. If you can do it, if you can make it so that the whole family goes at once, that's going to be sort of the easiest. The criteria for children, dependents, you can just call them dependents, spouse, children. All you really need to show is that relationship. So marriage certificate or birth certificate. And then you have to show the principal is in the valid E3 status. So if you can either do it all at the same time, or the family can all do it after the principal has already applied and become approved. Then you have to show kind of their E3 status, their copy of visa stamp. If they're in the US, you got to show I-94, pay stubs. So it's just slightly more involved if they're going at a later date, without the principal. We always just kind of recommend everybody go at once. It's easier. So something else to keep in mind is when scheduling for a family. So let's say the family says they all want to go at once. All that you really have to worry about in terms of dates and availability is getting the principals, getting their appointment scheduled, because even if the rest of the family, they need their own DS-160, they need to pay their own fee, but it doesn't matter when their appointment date is. Even if they don't get an appointment date for months away, they can all go as a family and all go together, and they'll process the whole family all at once.
Right. So they have to do the DS-160 and they have to get an appointment, but their appointment date doesn't matter because they can come in with the primary or the principal.
Yeah, that's what we've always experienced is they'll basically, they'll process the whole family all at once, and they say, clients say, I got this date, but I couldn't get a date for my family for weeks or whatever. It doesn't matter. As long as everybody's got the fee paid, the DS-160, and some kind of date scheduled, then they'll do it all at once.
Okay.